Yes, good morning. Today our topic early humans. So we have seen shelter and clothes. Early human. We have seen the shelter. Actually, how they look like early human are totally different from the modern human. They used to live in the jungles and spend most of the time in searching for food only, gathering food. They did not know cooking or farming. They ate fruits and roots of plants, and completely they ate raw meat by hunting them. And their tools were made of stones. The food habits and clothes were all crude. Crude means very hard, rough, rash. Okay, that is called crude. Next, coming to shelter and clothing. So they don't have houses like us. They used to stay in natural caves and under large trees to protect themselves from the heat of the sun, rain, and cold. And they covered themselves with the leaves, barks of trees, and skins of animals. They used to cover their body like this. Shelter is living in caves and under big, big trees and protect their body. They cover their body with skin of animals. And the tools were very hard. So they used stones, okay, sharp stones to kill the animals. For small animals, they use their bare hands. But to kill big animals, they use tools of different sizes made with stone. So these are the different tools which are made with stones. See here. And even they made the tools with animal bones also. Big animal bones will be there. No. For example, elephant. So elephant bones will be very big. So that bones also they made them into tools to kill animals. Then slowly they came to know about fire. How did they discover the fire? Maybe they have seen the forest or jungle burning, natural fire in the jungle, and they came to know that fire is very, very important. Fire is useful for us. What are the uses? They realized that this fire will keep the wild animals away, and even the fire makes the food tasty and easy to eat. Now what they did, they could keep the fire burning with the dry leaves and twigs. And the discovery of fire is a big important change in the human race, life of early man. Now coming to the next topic, that is the beginning of farming. What is this farming? How did they came to know that we can farm, we can cultivate, we can grow crops? How? So when early man ate something, they have thrown that seeds of fruits, whatever they have eaten, no, whatever they eat, no, that raw, that wild fruits. So when they eat that fruits, they have thrown that seeds in the soil. And after some days, they have observed that from that seeds, plants came, plants grown. So due to this, now the early man came to know that okay, now we can go grow plants without moving from one place to other, remaining at one place only. We can now able to grow plants. So being able to grow their own food was the biggest achievement of the early man. Now he started growing, yes, crops. They soon observed that whatever they have eaten and whatever the seeds they have thrown in the soil grew into new plants. They noticed that plants became big and fruits arise from them. Thus, early man has discovered farming and no longer needed to roam around in search of food. Now they could settle at one place. Yes, children. So once they have discovered that we can grow plants without roaming, without moving from one place to the other. Previously, what they used to do, they used to need a nomadic life, means move from one place to the other in search of food, to kill animals, okay, to eat, in search of food. They used to go from one place to the other. But now it is not used. They came to know that okay, we can stay at one place, grow crops and eat it, use for food. Then this is the biggest achievement of early man. Then they started settling at one place. Okay, slowly, slowly, they started settling at one place, and especially they started settling at the banks of rivers. Why rivers? Why rivers? Because they came to know that water is also very, very important for the plants. Not only for plants, even they need water. No. So, no need to go here and there for water. If you settle near the banks of river or lakes or ponds, you can get the water easily. So now they came to know, they settled, they started their farming, cultivating lands. Okay, then slowly, slowly, what they did, they started settling in villages. Means once they started settling, what happened? That complete group came a small, that complete group formed into a small village. So early humans started settling down in a small villages near the rivers. I told you already. So where there is water, they used to settle there only, because they came to know that plants need water, animals need water, and even they also need water. So that is the reason they started settling near the banks of the rivers. So they can now, you can see now small small huts with plants and leaves, stems. They have keep the small small huts bank of river. Slowly they started cultivating the crops. Now, next, taming of animals. What do you mean by taming of animals? So, once early man started settling in one place, he started taming the animals also. Animals means like he started growing different, means making them to grow with them, taming, like cattle, cows, buffaloes, sheep, dog. So, dog is the first animal tamed by the early man. Why? Because dogs protect them, they guard them, and dogs helped during the time of hunting also. So, after settling down in villages, early man started taming the animals. Taming means growing, making them to grow with them. Cattle, you call it as cattle, no? Nowadays, you call it as cattle. For example, some people you can see they grow these cows, buffaloes. For what they grow cows and buffaloes? For milk. Okay, milk. And this milk will turn into again curd, dairy products, you call them. So early man also started the same way. He started taming the animals, and dog is the first animal tamed by the early man. Then slowly, slowly, he started taming different types of animals like sheep, cow, goat, horses, donkeys, bullocks. Sheep, goat for meat and milk. Cows also. Okay, cows milk. Horse and donkey to carry their loads. So they came to know that animals also used for carrying loads from one place to the other. Even they started preparing, or they started bullock carts also. So they started developing these bullock carts and tie the animals for them. So they use these animals for plowing the farmlands, getting milk and meat. So especially we get meat from sheep and goat, and we get milk from cows and buffaloes. Then horse and donkeys are used for moving from one place to the other to carry loads. Dogs were the mostly used for hunting and guarding homes and fields at night time. So like this, you can see. Okay, they started taming the animals, settled in the places. Yes, animals are tamed to move from one place to the other. Yes, what happened? Why are you raising your hand? Why are you raising your hand? Azan.
Ma'am, ma'am, what happens if early man ta- kills? What happens? The dog cannot kill the animal.
1 second, Azan. I will tell you a doubt. See, you people are raising your hand. I thought any important. You are not able to hear me. It is recording. I will explain you. Okay. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay. So this is about taming the animals. He started taming the animals, mostly like cow, sheep and goat for meat and milk. Cows also milk. Horse and donkeys to carry the loads. So like this. And dogs were used for hunting and guarding the homes. So this is about the farming and settling in the villages and taming animals. Next one is transportation. So transportation, I'll explain you.